Hello there. So you want to know how you can use your same day delivery on Target. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video, shall we? Simply go ahead and open your Target application. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and tap on My Target on the bottom right. Or let's just go ahead into your cart first. And as you can see, if you go to checkout for your product, if you go ahead and choose your shipping, so right over here, it is going to go ahead and take a couple of days, and that is because you need a Circle membership in order to get a same day delivery. So for example, let's just go to My Target, Circle member, and if I scroll all the way down, as you can see, the benefit is also going to be listed for Circle membership right over here. So if you go ahead and see that, there is going to be the same day delivery available for Target Circle membership. However, you can't do it if you don't have the membership. You can simply get a membership through here. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you